Has a new mission, and it involves one of the biggest shining stars, the sun.
Cody Stark. The mission takes place this weekend. It's going to help answer some of our most burning questions. Lucky for us, NASA man is here to explain.
NASA man.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I've been preparing for this interview by staring in the sun for a week.
Oh, that wasn't smart.
I don't think that was a good idea.
No.
Ladies and gents, NASA and the European Space Agency are heading to the sun to give us never-before-seen photos of the Earth in areas like the North and South Poles. To tell us more about it, live from Kennedy Space Center is NASA scientist Holly Gilbert. Holly, I've been really excited. I've been staring at the sun for a week. Is that wrong? Should I have not done that?
That's not great. Good morning. Really glad to be with you, NASA man.
Thank you so much.
I hope your eyes are okay.
So tell us about this mission. This is very exciting.
We are so excited. Solar Orbiter is going to give us views of the sun that we've never seen before, looking at the polar regions. And it is going to have a unique orbit, and it will have a comprehensive suite of instruments that will take images of the sun, but also sample that hot plasma that's coming away from the sun. So basically mapping what's in that space all the way back to the solar surface. And it is going to really help scientists understand the fundamental nature of our star and how it creates the space around the solar system and how it drives solar activity.
See, and it's so important because, I mean, everything depends on the sun. You know, without the sun, we wouldn't be here. We'd just be a frozen rock. So I didn't realize that the poles were so different. So is the heat range totally different across the areas of the sun?
It's not necessarily the heat range, but we've never been able to see the flows and the magnetic field. And we need that information so we can see the entire sun and create global models of the magnetic field, which drives all of that dynamic activity. And so we don't know exactly what we're going to see. That will be the fun part about this mission, is finding that out.
Is that exciting for y'all to not know exactly what you're going to see? I mean, I mentioned it's going to be kind of cool.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like discovery science. Very exciting.
Now, talk to us a little bit about seasons of the sun. I don't know if people realize that there are active seasons and non-active seasons. That's
right. Yeah, the sun's magnetic field, it drives all this activity. And the sun goes through what we call solar maximum, periods of time where it's rarely active with lots of sunspots and lots of solar storms. And this happens on average about every 11 years. Now, we don't understand why this solar cycle does what it does, and especially for the 11 years. So again, we need that full picture of the sun to better understand how this is happening, how the solar cycle is being created, how that dynamic activity is going to be hitting us here at the Earth.
Very cool. Well, thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it. Looking forward to the launch this weekend. I'm going to go back to staring at the sun, getting ready.
Oh, no. All right. Yeah, okay, at your own risk.
At your own risk, right.
I am not sanctioning that.
Oh, no, I was staring at the video of the sun. You can stare at that.
Oh, that's different.
That's fine.
That's
No
different.
dummy. NASA man out.